Hello, I'm A.D. Ramsey of Davita Handcraft Soap, and and I have the hiccups. Too bad there's no one here, or else I could get rid of them because when I was in the 5th grade, I'm gonna have to stop the video. This is hilarious. When I was in the 5th grade, I stood up and went to the teacher's desk and said, "Hey, can I go get some water? I have the hiccups." He said, "You have the hiccups?" I said, "Yes." And I, was hiccuping as I'm talking to him. Then all of a sudden he says, "All right, everybody in class, put your books down, put your pencils down," because back then we had pencils and paper. He said, "Ramsey's getting ready to hiccup for us. She has the hiccups. So go ahead, hiccup." And I was looking like, oh my God, what? He said, "You had a hiccup. I just heard you, so go ahead and hiccup in front of everyone here in class." I was so embarrassed, but it totally worked. And it got rid of my hiccups. So I should think of everybody watching this video, and I have the hiccups, but it's not working. So I'm opening up this package. Oh my gosh. Maybe I should come back when I don't have the hiccups, because I want everyone to pay attention to the for the haul and not oh my gosh. Okay, I'll come back. What a weirdo. All right, now that the hiccup drama has subsided, put you back just a little bit. I ordered some soaps from a soaper / sculptress / just all around artiste by the name of Miss Grace, and the name of her company is From Grace to You. She has awesome soaps. They're more like pieces of art than just soap. So I just wanted to open this up. I was going to wait. I ordered some more soaps from some other soapers, and I was just going to wait and open it up all at once. But I couldn't. I couldn't wait. Oh my goodness. What in the world? Okay. You know what? I'll be right back. All right, now that I have pulled myself back together, I cannot believe she has sent all of this stuff. Let me get a for real camera angle so that you can see everything. Wow. Okay, this soap is called Love Train, and just the size of the soap alone, it's just crazy. It has soap dough, molding soap, the back, the side. I'm going to get my scale so we can see exactly how much this weighs. This is insane. Wow. This soap is called Fairy Savannah Rice. And this is why I couldn't wait. I could smell, it smelled like something that had spearmint or something in it, a mint. Let's see what this one is fragrance with. Oh, a perfect men's fragrance. No wonder I like this one. I like all men colognes. I like that better. Look at this. Look, just ridiculous. And it smells so good. I can't. I just can't. I can't. Ridiculous. And mind you, I ordered, I made a soap, a coffee soap. And right after I made the soap, she was like, I can't believe it. I made us coffee soap also. And that's what I should have had her send me. Because she said, oh, thank you so much. She made one, a real one. That's just ridiculous. Ridiculous. Hopefully I can attach the video link to this video. I have problems with that, but she said, oh, you're so kind, I'm going to send you one. I'm like, no. I sent her an email. I was like, no, let me pay for it. Oh my God. And so she said, okay, and I want to buy a couple of more soaps. But you better believe that the amount of money that I paid basically for just shipping, and she sent this, oh my goodness, Patchouli beach soap. Look at the details on here. Just look at all of this. This is ridiculous. See, when I become a big kid, and just the size, the weight. Look at this. Look at this soap. It's just, I don't believe she sent me this. This is just, it's too much. She asked me what soap, that I want. I was like, just whatever, I don't care. And I love this. I'm going to use this one first. So, for the scales. This one weighs 9 ounces. This one, which I know some people would be tempted, oh, I'm going to put this out and look at it, so cute. No, I'm going to use this soap. Any soap that is made to be used, not to collect dust, none of that. I'm using this soap. And this soap weighs, this soap weighs 13 ounces just for this soap. And she sent this to me for free. You have soapers out here that will barely send you a good comment, let alone something that they worked hard on without expecting anything else in return. So that's what's making the emotions come up. Not because it's a bar of soap, but because of the kindness in a community where most people are kind, but not everyone. I just started making soap professionally. This woman has nothing to gain by me making a video or putting it on Instagram or doing a soap haul. She has nothing to be gained. So I just want to let everyone know that you don't have to be a horrible person to be a soaper. You can show some kindness sometimes to people, especially when they appreciate your artistry. And I definitely appreciate her artistry. She's doing things that a lot of soapers out here aren't doing, and I appreciate it. And I appreciate the soap. I appreciate the kindness. I'm just happy to see that there are real people out here. So thank you. Thank you for watching this haul. Please go to her website. I'm not sure if she has a website up or not, but if you email her, and I will definitely leave her email address, maybe you two can snag up something that's awesome. And don't think that I'm not going to reuse. Don't think I'm not going to reuse these, because I am. I'm going to, when I send out a soap order, I'm going to fill this up with flowers. Even though we live out here in the desert, I have a bunch of roses. There's a bunch of other little flowers that grow around. I dry them up. I mix it up with some herbs and spices, and use them as sachets just in a bowl. But I'm going to put some in here. Miss Stacy also uses this type of bag. So I have maybe a cute little collection of these bags. So I'm going to mail them out when I mail out my soap orders, and for something extra so it can be recycled and passed on. So thank you for watching this video. And please support your favorite soaper. And thank you. This is A.D. Ramsey of Davita Handcraft Soap. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.